everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be painting an autumn landscape using watercolors. So for today's class you'll need watercolor paper, few round brushes, watercolor, mixing palette, 2 jars of water and a masking tape. So we'll be painting something similar to this. So before starting, what I'll do is I'll roughly sketch out the painting which I'll be doing on a rough paper, and once I'm satisfied with all my subjects, I'll start painting on a final paper. So before that, I'll first mask down the paper on all 4 sides and start sketching on the paper. Here I'll be just drawing few lines as I didn't want to complicate the subject a lot. So a line where the sky and the sea is meeting, and one more line for the land area, and on that line we'll be drawing a road which is leading to the forest and towards the sea. That's all. Once the sketching is done, let's start painting. We'll start with the sky part. We'll be using the same wet on wet technique. So I'll just wet my paper with clean water and then start applying my blue color, leaving the lower portion completely white as I want that portion to be for the clouds. You can use any blue you have in your palette. It could be bright blue, cerulean blue, ultramarine, any blue you have in your palette, that is totally fine. Now let's create the shadow of the clouds using the purple color. You can create this dull looking purple by mixing your red and blue. And once your sky area is done, let it dry completely. While that is drying, we'll move on to painting the land portion below it. So here I'll be just using different shades of green. And while that is drying, let's paint the sea portion. Here I'll be using ultramarine blue and turquoise blue for the sea area. So in case you are wondering what materials am I using, I'll mention everything in the description box, so make sure that you check it out. Here I am painting bushes on the land area with greens and orange, as we are painting autumnal landscape, so that's the reason I am using more of orange color over here. Now let's paint the pine trees over the bush area. To paint the pine trees, all you have to do is take a brush which has a good tip and first draw a straight line and then flick your brush on both the sides. Use different shades of green and different sizes of pine trees to make it look much more natural. And we are almost done with this painting. All we have to do is paint the lower portion, that is the road and the land area. So that's quite simple. Here I'm using the same wet on wet technique, and once I've applied clean water, I'm layering that area with different shades of yellow, orange and greens. And to paint the road, I would be taking a grey purple color. I'll use that color on the edges, and on the center part I'll be using yellow ochre to paint the road. Lastly, I'll be just adding final few details, that is few bushes and few flowers here and there, and that's it. So I hope you enjoyed painting along with me and you learned something, and I'm really excited to see your version of the same. So if you do create, please do tag me on social media. I'll have all my social media links down below in the description box. Also, do let me know what would you like to see more of on this channel. And I'll see you guys really soon in the next video. Till then, bye.